Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can lock your profile on Netflix. So now you can lock your profile and you can do this on your browser. So just open the netflix.com and then go to your account. And then here scroll down until you find the profile that you want to lock. So for example, I want to lock this profile in here, so just click on this arrow down and then here scroll down until you find profile lock, so click on change. And here you need to enter your password before you can lock this profile, and then click on continue. And here lock this profile by creating a 4-digit pin. And to profile lock is that if someone open this profile, they need to use a 4-digit pin before they can enter the profile. So just click on the checkbox here and then add your pin in here. For example, I'm going to just go with 1234 and then click on save. Okay, so the profile lock pin can be changed by revisiting this profile log page and entering the account password. Note that a profile pin is not required to change profile and parental control or to delete a profile. Okay, after that you can just click on save. And just like that, the profile log has been saved, so that anyone who enter this profile need to enter a 4-digit pin before they can enter the Netflix profile. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.